How to change language in English in Taobao in 2025, quick and easy guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, when you go to the Taobao.com, the official website of Taobao, you can see there everything is on Chinese. So there's nothing related to English or anything, so you can't understand really. So there's simple two methods to translate it in English. So first of all, you can see on the upper section there's a sign beside the star button. You just have to simply click on here and click on English. As you can see, it was on Chinese simplified before, and you can see this on English now. So there's another method. If this settings is not showing on your desktop, or you can't find these settings on your desktop or the browser, so you just have to click on the right click on any possible web view and just right click on it, and you can see a option called translate to English here. And after clicking on here, you can see all the sentences and words are translated into English, so you can just now use the Taobao freely. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.